So for the circuit here, the buzzer right here is powered by the 5-volt supply source, and the pull-up resistor of the push-down button, which is right here, is connected to 3.3 volts over here. And you can see here that uses a 10 kilo ohm resistor to go into the push button. And the buzzer can work when it is plugged in here into the 3.3 volts, but the sound just won't be as loud, which is why we're using 5 volts in this lab. And here you can see that I already have started the code and the alerter is turned off. And so, actually I never stopped the code for the alerter. So we're going to start this code right here, and the buzzer is turned off. And so when we press the button, it's going to act like a doorbell. So here we are. So you can see when I press the button, the sound turns on, and in the code it says that the buzzer also turns on. And when we turn it off, when we release our finger, it switches to buzzer turned off. And that is for the first part of this homework.